Yo, welcome back to another live stream, everybody. How's it going? How's everything, guys? Oh my god, this cable is so annoying. I need to charge my headphones, so gotta connect it to the charger, you know. So we are so back, as you can see. I just wanted to do a little chill live stream where we look at some issues, hopefully some fun stuff, and just chill and just code and drink water. Of course, that's the theme of this live stream today. We're just gonna drink water. So yeah, I also have some Red Bull, but that's just the appetizer for the water. I don't know what that means, but anyways. So guys, I will just jump into this. Let's warm up. Let's warm up by looking at some dependency updates, because you know that's just, oh my god, that's so too bright. Okay, so let's have a look. I have a couple of projects that I want to look at today. One of them is Ratatouille, of course, and then we have probably Gitcliff and some other ones. I have a surprise project that I want to create a release today, actually. So let's see. Hello, I'm Joyful. How's it going? Are you guys on Discord? I saw that you were running a voice chat sessions these days, which is super cool. I'm just curious if you're on Discord right now. Maybe we can have a we can have a Discord voice chat live stream session, which might be interesting. You guys would be able to chime in on what I'm doing here and tune in with voice chat. That would be quite interesting. That would be quite interesting. Maybe we can do it today. I don't know. It would be a bit like out of sync because of the latency in the live stream and the Discord voice chat, but we can try, yeah, we can try. Good idea. Hello, Honor. Hello, Ferris. Welcome to the live stream. Thanks for moderating today's live stream. We have a moderator, guys, so absolutely great. Feeling absolutely great. Super safe. This is a safe environment now. Thank you for being here, Ferris, and thank you for meowing, which is yeah, I don't know how to feel about that, to be honest, but it's probably fine. I mean, I have a interesting relationship with cats. Hash brown. Let's see what has changed here. Just arrived. The hangouts have been going great. We had a couple of people grinding on a couple of projects a bit back. That's super nice, man. Actually, I was thinking whether if you want to like announce it on a larger scale, I can give you permissions on the notifications, or like, sorry, the announcements channel, so that you can also use that one. Because right now I'm the only one using the announcements, and I only use it for live streams and the other stuff. So maybe it might make sense to just announce it on Discord more properly if you're gonna do this a regular thing, you know. So yeah, let's talk about that later, though. Okay, let's see if there's anything breaking here. Just the MSRE, which is fine. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. What's with the move to how's the move to Berlin? Okay, so apparently you guys have questions, right? I was actually planning to do a live stream, like a separate live stream, and just answer stuff there, but okay, since you guys are here, I don't know yeah, We'll see what will happen. You'll witness everything. Okay, I will be live streaming from a interesting place next month. No, not next month. June. Okay, I'm gonna live stream from an interesting place. Are you gonna ship your stuff? No, I'm not taking anything. I'm not gonna ship. I'm gonna just move very minimally. How long till then? You know, right now I'm trying to like basically find a place to stay, which is incredibly difficult, and that's just that was stressing me out a little bit. But now I took the white pill, and now I don't care. You know, I just kind of just go with the flow, because more that I think about this, more that I get stressed, and I there's like literally not much that I can do about it. So I just basically gonna book a temporary place until I find a more permanent place. So yeah, just I'm going there for stability, but like it's gonna be unstable at first, which is fine, probably, which is fine. And also, I'm like I said in the blog post, I will need to explain some other details about this move, which will take some time to write down. Probably in May I will be publishing the second part, but until then I will just keep grinding, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. By the way, I have a super exciting project. Maybe it's so pointless, but I'll show you. 1 second, let me just finish up these dependency updates, then I will show you this this weird thing that I built, and I think you guys are gonna like it. Ferris, especially since you're a cat, you might like it. You're a crab rat. Ferris is just a LLM chatbot, probably. God damn. Okay, that's that. I mean, I'm just like YOLO merging these stuff, and there's like more stuff coming up as I merge more. Like I just got an email from Dependabot again while I'm merging these things. Okay, so I don't know. It might probably make more sense to not do all of these dependency updates like this and just do it at once or something. But I don't know. Like, let me just merge them. Okay, let me just merge them. That's probably fine though. Like this is just a reverse dependency, so it should be fine. Just merge it, boom, ship it. What is this? Clap, merge it. I can probably use a CLI for this. Okay, seems fine. Seems fine. Just YOLO merge. Cargo deny action. YOLO merge. Zizmore. Do you guys know about Zizmore, which is actually nice? I recommend checking that out. So let me just show you what it is. It's a static analysis tool for GitHub Actions. It's written in Rust, quite fast tool. Just run the binary in your CI and boom, it's nice. So guys, Check this out. This is sneak peek. Look at this. So this is maybe so stupid, but I have built a terminal emulator. Sorry for the light theme. And there's a spinning rat in place of the cursor. So fully fledged running, you know, you can do stuff here. Probably I shouldn't have run that command, but I hope I didn't expose everything. So let's run it here. Well, the space doesn't work. But anyways, you see, like, I have this, like, yeah, that's the project. It's incredibly stupid. But yeah, that's that. Thank you for checking it out. I will keep working on it, don't worry. It's not like, I don't know, I just like it. I just like it. There's like a 3D rat in the cursor. Okay, let's move on to other PRs. Ratty, yeah. So we have a new Ratatouille app. Let's check it out. Well, this link is just broken. It's a new music media. What is this? Keyboard-driven music app. I mean, at this point, if you have like more than 15 or even more than that, like, we have a lot of music apps built with Ratatouille. It's quite popular for music apps for some reason, so it's nice. But at the same time, like, I feel like we have enough, but people like to build music apps, so I can't blame them. So we're gonna just merge this one. Okay. Okay, let's check the rest of the stuff that we have. So we have one PR for actually this is an issue. Okay guys, give me a second, I'll be back. Sorry, my bad. Forgot to unmute myself. So basically, at least I sent a link so you guys know what I was looking at. Anyways, I was just reading basically. I was just reading. Kind of lucky that I wasn't talking. So what I was saying is, if you're gonna add a new function for this Ratatouille run with options, I at least want to know like the current state of Ratatouille run, like how many apps are using it. So just having a quick look, seems like there's a fair number of projects using this. 400. How about Ratatouille in it? It's like 4K. Okay, so no, actually, wait. Did I say 400? It's just 148. I think it would make sense to I'm lagging again, man. Give me a second. I will just kill some processes that are running in the background, because I see that I am lagging. It's just the biggest problem with this live streams. Like, OBS is taking a huge portion of my RAM, and then Firefox is also taking some portion, and then I'm left with very less resources. Like, it's kind of annoying. Okay, so what are we running? My Bitcoin miner, yeah, let me just kill that. My Ethereum miner, let me just kill that one too. Oh, Monero, okay, that one too. Let me just kill that one too. I mean, we use Monero anyways, right? Nah, I'm just on a I don't want to say shitty, but I'm on a ThinkPad, man. Like, I'm on a ThinkPad. Okay, I am just running a lot of node processes. Let me just kill them all. Alright, let me stop the torrent thing, stuff in the background. This anime was already downloaded, so I'm just gonna stop that. This pirating service, okay, stop that. The secret Tor service for renting actual rats to people for running terminal UI apps, let me just stop that too. Okay, we should be good to go now. Cool. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Wie geht es dir? Alright, so all good. I have killed some processes, guys. We're clean now. We're clean. Don't worry. I have just removed some very essential stuff from my system, but we are ready to go. Cool. Init with options. Thanks for sending emojis, by the way. Thank you. I don't know who's sending those, but like, appreciate that. I did a quick search on GitHub, and that's where you run turns 150 results, whereas Ratatouille init is around 4K. Also angry with Josh. If you're tweaking this, You probably know what you're doing. I mean, yeah, I mean, that's probably enough. That's probably enough. Okay. All right, let's move on to some other thing. By the way, we just got a build server for Carboxyl today from our good friend Sermons. He agreed to give us some resources for building Chromium, so that's kind of cool. I'll follow our organization. So yeah, the university supercomputer. So there you go. I can actually show it to you. It's just this one, this machine over here. Kind of nice. Kind of nice. And I like the host name too. It's just nice, you know. I will do some experiments on this. Probably tomorrow we can do a live stream and just try to build Chromium here. You know, at least go through the whole process. Probably tomorrow though, not today. But this is kind of cool that we have this nice machine now. So yeah. General ideas, somewhat unrelated, but this project is still being worked on. Yep, feel free to. We just gotta build machine. I'll try to focus on maintenance a bit in the following weeks. I need to build a supercomputer. If you have the funds for it, go for it, man. I mean, that would be super cool. Okay, we have one PR for GitClip. Actually, I need to probably weigh in on GitClip a bit and create a release at some point, because it's been dragging for some time. How much RAM is it? Let's check. 62 gigs. Actually, I'm curious, like how long is it gonna take to build Chromium with this? 1 second. Let me check. Good for building Chromium. Pretty good, especially compared to normal desktop. Give me a rough estimate of time. Clean field build around 2 hours, incremental build a few minutes. Yeah, I mean 2 hours is okay, I think. Okay, so my plan for this is basically tomorrow, or maybe the day later, I don't know. At some point, I'll basically just pull in all the source, all the stuff there. Set up an agent, AI agent, so that I can like change the patches. Like there's some patches that applies to Chromium, so I don't know if they will actually work out. But I'll basically kind of vibe fix my way around the build process and just build it, and then kind of push the binary or the container. And yeah, hopefully we will be able to bump the dependencies as well, because they looked kind of old. I mean, the last commit for this thing was from 2 years ago or something. Three years ago, yeah. I mean, it's definitely outdated. So let's see. Warn when with commit does not change version. Fixes this issue. What is this? There's nothing to bump. Warning missing when bumped with gitclave limit commits with commit. Wait, so I was not able to reproduce this though. Okay, the warning message is missing. Interesting. Okay, let me try to reproduce this first of all. Oh man, it's gonna... Yeah, let's build it first though. And while we wait, how is everyone doing, by the way? How is life, guys? I mean, you know me, I'm just kind of freestyling. Kind of doing whatever, like grinding and like rats and cheese and moving and shit. So how is everyone else doing? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and basically copy all this. And what's the Okay, bumped version with commit test. It literally says there's nothing to bump here. But with this one, maybe it's gonna change. Yeah, now it doesn't say that. Okay. That's just a very like edge case situation. But let's check the fix. Trying to survive. Aren't we all? So I have pushed these, like I have pulled these changes. I didn't even check what has changed here, to be honest. Oh, what are these? This is vibe coded tests. I'm gonna just remove the tests, to be honest. Like, we don't have logger tests anywhere else, and having that here is kind of weird. So how does this work? Current version is the next version. Okay, that actually makes sense. So let me go to this function over here. Right, change log. There is nothing to bump. Can't we do this in... Okay, we already have a log here, so I think it makes sense. Maybe we can change it to something else though. The next version is the same as the current version. I think this would be better to differentiate between two cases. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one. Alright, so style, refactor, change the warning message, and I'm gonna remove all the tests, to be honest. Like, I don't need this stuff in here. So refactor, remove vibe tests. It's a good change though, I like it. Yo, how's it going? We're just chilling, man. We just trying to survive, like Mehmet said. How are you doing? How are you? What are you making? Logan makes games. Okay, that's that. I think I'm gonna just merge it. Let's YOLO merge it. Not games though, just surviving crunch at work. I mean, your name is Logan Makes Games, so that's why you're... Bro, you're scamming me. You're scamming me with your username. I mean, as long as we're surviving, it's all good, I guess. But not the best person to talk to when it comes to surviving. I'm literally an open source developer, so... I'm scamming myself. I wish I had time to make games. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, first... I can just probably do this here. Maybe probably not, because this is manipulating the changelog, so it's not gonna work like that. Okay, let's approve it. What kind of games you guys are making? Okay, I want to show you a game that I made at our hackerspace this weekend. 1 second. Wait, I actually don't want to do this change here. Wait, hold on. Okay, I will run it for you. I don't know, it's kind of weird. I had some time to work on this, so I was like, okay, let me just make a game. So here's what I made. So you're a rat, obviously. You're a rat. Boom. What the fuck is this game, man? Okay, terminal check. You need to type in this thing, and if you like, it's just like a... Okay, ls pwd. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know why I made this. It's kind of ugly, and yeah, it's just weird. Just weird. It's made with Bevy, by the way. Radcar 2 electric color. Ever sudden a seat so long you decide to get mad at how the text renders. It's just made me think about my life, man. I mean, probably. I'm literally getting excited over terminals, just like text. And yeah, I feel you. Watch rats. I don't know what my next game will be. Next wipe code rat game will be, but I kind of like this. Like I mean, normally I wouldn't spend time on building games. Like, I don't want to learn all the details about... Like, I took some courses, you know? Back in college, I was like, okay, it's just Unity or whatever. And yeah, I contributed to some Rust game projects, but I don't really like it. That's not my... That's not something that I like building. So now that I can just wipe code shit like that, it's just kind of fun. It's very useless though, like... Who's gonna play that game? Nobody. I mean, that's just very ugly game. Please don't play it. But that's just kind of like an average game on Steam, not gonna lie. What happened to music? Okay, it's back. All right. Oops, this one. Let's move on to this issue now. Why is it failing? Links, that's probably fine. Links are always flaky. Okay, I'm gonna approve this again. This is just a screenshot update, so we can go ahead and merge it. There's probably a milestone that I need to work on. So what's the current version of this? 2.12. There should be a milestone. 2.13. Okay, let's see. So use current branch for GitHub API. Okay. That include path multi-value handling tests. These are just tests, I think. Okay, I'll take a look at this in a second. It's probably fine. So I'm gonna just resolve this. Value to set for gitclif include pad before running gitclif. Okay, so this is an additional environment variable for the CI. What's the name of it again? Include pad and repeated flag. The following four include path tests. All use identical expected MD content. They verify that the same result is produced, whether the paths are passed via repeated. Include path flags, a single space separated value. The cliff will include paths. Okay, that's pretty nice actually. Config environment variable. That's nice. And all of them are the same. The config one, let me see the config one. The config. config one is, let me see, the config include paths. Okay, it's just like addition of the config. I think this is looking pretty good, to be honest. Okay, I think I will just ship it maybe after this one. Yeah, let's ship this one first. Warn when with commit does not change version. Okay, shipped. Did I approve this already? I think I did. No, no, I didn't. Okay, looks good to me. Looks good to me, thanks. By the way, tomorrow we will have another Terminal Collective Terminal Tuesday session. I just remembered. Today is Monday, right? Yeah, okay. So tomorrow we'll have a new one. In case you wanna tune in and listen to someone talk about their terminal for 45 minutes, you're welcome. And there you go. There's our channel. And yeah, we also recorded sessions and posted on YouTube. So yeah, the last one was quite fun. We had the author of present term. So yeah, I just remembered, so I wanted to share that. You're welcome on our Discord. There's a link in the description of the videos. It's terminalcollective.org. Yeah, enough ad break. Let's just keep grinding. So this one was quite broken. It's draft. Actually, I can probably check out the pull requests. 1 second. One sec. Taking a look at stuff now in my inbox. Okay. So there's, I think, like more urgent stuff than that one. So I will basically go ahead and kind of prioritize those things first. There is this one is, I don't even remember creating this one, to be honest. Seems like it's working though. Skipped contributors. Yeah, I can merge this one. How do I make this ready? How do I make this thing ready? Convert to not draft. I wanna okay, ready for review. Wow, that was like horrible UX. Add test fixture work skipped contributors. Yeah, just merge it. I cannot sadly approve my own PR, so yeah. So let's see, we have a bunch of stuff in here. God damn. Support more configuration files. That one was interesting. Oh, we have a bunch of dependency updates. I'm actually gonna just close all that because I do that manually. Now, can I filter by dependable? Yes. Just maybe keep that one. Yeah, just close them. How do I close all of them? Mark as close. All right. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's just 22 PRs, guys. We can work through this. Okay, what's going on here? You will work through that boredom. Thank you for the motivation, man. Thank you. Going to the gym or on salad. This is the end of the daily hangout today. See you tomorrow. Take care, man. Take care. Thank you for tuning in. Okay, so cliftoml dot cliftoml config cliftoml. Yeah, that's actually good. I will also finish this one up. I will pull the changes. Oops, what am I pulling? Okay. So configuration index. I got disconnected, but I should be back now. In the meantime, I was just drinking water. That was a lot of water. Please remember to drink water, guys. It's very important. It is not me who's saying that. It's just important. I'll play this really nice mix for you. You might remember it from previous live streams. From 6 months ago. Some new hire I onboarded asked why I'm not using C++. I was using a script to get his account set up. What? What? that? Mercimek. Yes, sir. That's our hackerspace. It's a good food. It's a really good food. I don't even gonna lie. You can make soup. You can make, I don't know. You can make a lot of shit with that. Okay, so I will basically change this part. It looks kind of weird. Okay, user configuration. You can just use home here, probably. Okay, so let me fix this. If the configuration file is read from home. Okay, so home directory configuration. The home directory is depending on the platform. For example, okay, let me actually overhaul this page a little bit. Write Rust or onboard. Configuration file path. Okay, I think this is fine. For admin tasks like onboarding, asking why I'm not using C++ is like saying why I'm not using Rust to install a printer on a Windows PC. Onboarding. If you don't script in assembly, I don't want some board. Damn, man. What kind of a company is that? Let's check this page. All right. Documentation, configuration, file path. I think this is good. This is good, yeah. Okay, docs, website, clarify, find the configuration path. Holy C script. Hell yeah. I can probably... Yeah, let's do it like this. I think this is fine. It's kind of wrong though, like .config cliff toml. Where do we actually use this? So 1 second. Yeah, I was kind of wrong there. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna just push this. Wait, why? Okay, I need to fix this one as well. Use the correct header. Retrieve project config path is the function. Config files, iterator, find map. So basically, the little helper here. Okay. Config files is from the crate, which is defined here, I think. Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna change the styling a little bit. Retrieve user config path. Interesting. Why did we rename that? Okay. Oh, it's just testing the priority, I think, here. Didn't we already have like a temp directory? The dependency somewhere. Temp there. Temp file, temp there. Hold on. Okay, docs lib adjust the comments. Okay, give me a second, I'll be... In the meantime, you can just watch this really nice aquarium. Actually, this one is probably better. Nice emojis, Ferris. Okay, cool. We're back. So refresh. As I was saying, I think we already have like a temp file, temp there. So temp file. Why do we need that? It's kind of unnecessary, isn't it? Temp file. Temp file. I will just remove that. Because we already have temp there, basically. Wait, what the hell? Temp there. Okay. Temp file. Okay, there you go. At least we will have one less dependency. One second, let me fix my chair. Come on. Why didn't the cargo log didn't update actually? Remove direct temp there dependency. Okay, temp file actually. Okay. We have a conflict. Okay, let's see what happens. Retrieve user config paths. Just gonna change this to this and it's gonna be fine probably. Okay, git commit. Why did we update the cargo log file here? It's kind of unrelated, but anyways, I'll just let it slip. I think this is all good. Good to go. I'll just wait for the CI. Also, there is this one, search cliff toml as an alternative config file name. This is already implemented now. Config candidates. What is this doing? Already implemented in. Thanks for the PR. But this was already implemented in this. With all the supply chain attacks on dependencies, updating log files make me nervous. If I can sidetrack for a second, what are your thoughts on... Like, let me share my thoughts on log files first. Yeah, we actually have a... Like, we have been kind of exploring this dev container strategy to have less surface area available for supply chain attacks, and the log files are actually super important, and also the dependencies that you have. So I agree with that, but I'll kind of let it slip this time. If I can sidetrack for a second, what are your thoughts on Rust depending on third-party packages? From JavaScript, I have a huge PTSD from it. Third-party packages, as in, like, there's no, let's say, networking in the standard library type stuff. I mean, yeah, I definitely... definitely see the upsides and downsides of that. Like the upside is the alternatives that you can swap with the like, you know, you can use either async std or Tokyo or whatever, depending on your preference. So it kind of adds more variety, but at the same time there's a risk of things being unmaintained, things being not secure, things being not safe, you know. So there's like ups and downs to it, I think. At the end of the day, it depends on, like, when more people adopt Rust, this problem is gonna be like smaller, but it's gonna take some time to get there. So yeah, it's there's advantages and disadvantages of that, definitely. I mean, you know, like, another thing is, like, you just see more things doing the same, more projects popping up which are doing the same thing. It's kind of like I don't know, it's hard to keep up sometimes. There's like numerous HTTP clients out there now. Like there's, like, I remember years ago there was Rocket, and it was quite stable, nice. I would use Rocket today, but after that there's like Axiom came out. Now there's another one which I don't even remember its name. There's like Actix, there's like, I don't know, like a bunch of stuff, you know. So if you don't know those things and those new things, it's just like kind of hard to keep up. Like there's always a new thing coming up. So you either stay in the loop or you just be out of the loop, and Rust always makes you stay in the loop in a sense, which is good and a bad thing. I don't know. If you're looking for like premium stability, like 99% stability, and like really good ecosystem, well, Rust is a really good ecosystem, but like stability in terms of things being maintained, things being safe long term, Rust might not be the best bet now. This will change in the future though, I believe. And I think this is why companies are a bit hesitant investing in Rust. But it's gonna change over time, so it's gonna be fine. Okay. Give me a second, guys. Tech changes so much. You have to embrace some change to become outdated, to not become outdated. Maybe one day it will change though. Yeah. Good way to put it. I will just approve this one, to be honest. Okay, let's merge it. Support more configuration file locations. I will actually config index md. Gitcliff now looks for the configuration files in this order. Alright, cool. I'm getting so many emails about dependency updates now. Since I closed like 8 PRs. But yeah, give me a second. Okay, so now that it is merged, we can move on to the next thing. So this one was a draft and it was now working that well, I think. There's like a lot of... Oh man, it's not in a good shape. So I want to try something, guys. I want to implement this cleanly. So basically go ahead and do... Let's do it like this. Commit processing order. So I want to give codecs the enough context about this and just see like what's gonna happen. Processing order. There is this PR which is draft and have some conflicts. I want you to re-implement this properly based on the current state of the code base. Take the PR comments into account. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. I'm curious. Very interesting. Let's see if it can perform to your standards. Why not high reasoning? I don't know, I just want it to be quick. If I think it's gonna come up with something. No, it's okay. It's fetching details. I'm checking my other notifications to see if there's anything else that we can do in this live stream. So give me a second. Okay. Something is happening. Okay, changed some things, added the processing thing. So this PR is actually quite nice. In terms of functionality, this makes you able to basically say, hey, I'm gonna generate this changelog and I'm gonna generate it using these steps. So before this was not configurable, and after this PR, you'll be able to change the processing steps. So you can basically pre-process first, post-process later, check the links, I don't know, like add links later and so on. So it's gonna be quite nice, but let's see what's gonna happen. Process commit list. It just adds more things. Okay, it's processing with order. Add comments, add one line comments to the functions as wait. Okay, so what happened? We basically changed the changelog RS quite a bit. We moved stuff to commit RS. Let me see, where is it? Process commit list. This module is huge now. Process commit list legacy. Move those new functions to process RS module. So we have a test for this. How should we test this thing now? There's one other interesting PR that I want to check out actually. Expose determined bump type in least context. Interesting. It's probably fine. Just unlike the tuple type here. Instead of a tuple here, wouldn't be more convenient idiomatic to use to create a struct called, I don't think we have a struct called next version. Next version. We have next version. It clashes with, actually it's probably fine though. Let me check next version. Where do we use that? It's just a trait. Yeah. Next version. But we can rename the import. Looks good overall, just one minor thing. It's a nice PR. I'm gonna add this to the milestone as well. Use commit subject for non-conventional bumps. What is this? Oh, I remember this one, yeah. Yeah, I remember this one. This is probably fine too. What is this doing? Topological sorting. So we already have a PR for this, I think. Topological. Oops. It's literally the same. Just like applied the suggestions. Right? It's already being done here. Hello, this one is the same as but with the suggestions applied. I mean, I'm already gonna merge this one before the release, so I don't know. I don't know why they created this one. No idea. Okay, so I'm taking a look. I think this is gonna turn out pretty good. Let's see the process module. On cargo nightly FMT. Almost 1,000 PRs. Open closed. Yeah. Just open source life, man. Open source life. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure if I like this module because it's just like functions. I feel like this could be better. Right now I'm I'm not sure about the process module. It's just mostly functions. Isn't there a better way of, more idiomatic way of handling things here? Shit, I made a typo. Add GitLab netrc token resolution. I don't know what happened here. Are you still interested in working? Finishing this up. Have you installed backdoor to Linköping University yet? It's like I told you, Sermons. It takes time. I'm still installing it. Okay, don't worry. But thanks for the build server. That's amazing. I need to basically do some things now. Thank you. And before you joined, in the beginning of the live stream, I showed people the build server and I asked ChatGPT how long is it going to take to build Chromium on this, and it said 2 hours, which is pretty good timing, but not sure if it's going to actually take 2 hours. But we have a beefy machine now. Look at this. Just flexing. Just flexing. Commit processor struct. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Yes, please do that. Would you benefit from more RAM? I could hook you up with 128. Let me try it out first. It's pretty good already. Like, we have bunch of stuff to do here. Let me try it out. I'm probably gonna install codecs, and I will basically wipe fix the Chromium stuff a bit. So yeah, because I don't want to write C++ patches, man. That's one thing that I'm not gonna deal with. You could run a bunch of frontier open source model. No. I'm not doing AI stuff. But I will basically hook it up to my codecs account. Because I don't want to, like I said, no Chromium patches for me. I just want to deal with the, like, I want to build Chromium, and I want to, like, actually start working on adding Sixel support, adding Ratatouille, adding, I don't know, some other stuff. Maybe some agentic ratcoding. Yeah. By the way, Salmons, take a look at my new terminal project. It's called rat term. I'm working on this. So this is a terminal emulator, but your cursor is a rat. It's a 3D rat just spinning. How cool is that, right? Check it out. Check it out. Oh man, just a rat. It's a groundbreaking technology. It's groundbreaking. Is it spinning right or left? It's just randomly spinning for now, but we can change it. So I'm working on this now. Probably gonna work a bit more, add more TempleOS stuff, you know, sprites. But so far it's been great fun. So yeah, right now it supports light theme, but I'll change it. But yeah, you see htop. Let's actually SSH into that server. The space bar doesn't work for some reason, but we'll fix it. Now the important point is this is possible. This is not possible in my terminal. I will make this an actual terminal project and I will use it. I'll actually write a terminal protocol. Oh man, it's gonna be so fun. It's gonna be so fun, guys. Just wait for it. I'll make it happen. Don't steal my idea though, okay? I won't tell you how I made that because I don't want anyone to steal the idea. But wait for it. Rat term, wait, guys. It's gonna be so good. Okay, fix the cargo build warning. I'm just lazy. Closed source. Yeah, I'm making it closed source, okay. But Terry Davis would be proud. I think. Terry Davis would be proud. The first ever terminal emulator with 3D sprites. Actually usable one. I'm gonna make it usable. Like I said, I will use it myself. It's vibe coded. But we'll work on this probably not tomorrow, but later. Like I need to first do the carboxyl stuff, and then we're gonna basically work on that. Let's see, commit processor. Now we have that module. Config and summary. Run with order, run legacy. That looks actually nice. Process single commit. On processing error. Let's see again. Apply link parser. So how do we do this now? Okay. Looks very clean. Looks very clean. I kind of like this. I want to now write some documentation for this feature. Let me check the website. We can probably place it. Not sure. Is it like when I first proposed this? What was this thing in the Git section? Okay, processing order. in the Git section. Okay, so I'll say some like add documentation about this feature in Git MD probably. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Hey, good night. How Merjimek is going, by the way? Still waiting for events. It's going good. Have you sent an application already? Not an application, but like, did you join the waitlist? If you don't, just send something through Google Forms, and yeah, we will reach out to you. We need to be a little bit picky because we don't have enough space. So just let me know. You can also drop me an email. Like, just drop me an email, just tell me what you're working on, and yeah, we'll go from there. It's invite only for now because we don't have space. It's a small space. Okay, so what happened here? Do Arch install speedrun, pick top 10. That's actually quite a nice way to eliminate people. Processing order. Okay. Add the processing. Okay, in which order do we actually add this to the config struct? Processing order. Processing order entry after the possible processing options, so it should come after this one. Let me see. Processing order defines an optional explicit commit processing pipeline. It feels omitted. Yeah, this is a good documentation. Okay, that's good. Git md. defines a custom. The default processing order is this one. Let me add an info here. Okay, good. Do you ever pause music when you need to log the fuck in? No. Nothing can distract me. Even hard bass, hard, I don't know, even this music. I'm always locked in, man. Like in my mind, it's always locked in. I see send Google Form like 2 months ago. I'll send an email. Perfect. Please send me an email. Give me a commit message with co-authored by field for proper attribution. Guys, give me a second. I'll get some water. In the meantime, you can watch this nice aquarium. Aquarium. It's a hard word, okay? Anyways, I'll be back. We are so back. I like the music, by the way. I hope I'm not gonna get copyrighted. Hope you guys like the fish. I got a fresh fresh bottle of water. Music goes unfathomably, yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, I might just commit these stuff. What's the Fichtui? It's called Life Cycler. Life Cycler. This one. It's the Fichtui. Alright, I'm gonna just commit this and create a PR. Help. Give me config example. It's just really looking like shit. As a configurable processing order option for custom changelog generation pipelines. The motivation. Give me an example where this is useful. Short sentence. More general. Useful for cases where user wants. Okay, let's check this out. Okay. Locally. I didn't really test this, to be honest. Inshallah, the CI will pass. Not tested. Types of changes, new feature. Clippy, I didn't check Clippy. Okay. Continuation of this PR over here. Let's submit as draft. Let me actually do it like this. Fixes. Inshallah, brother. Let's see the CI. I mean, if everything is green, this is probably fine. Okay, actually, let me try this out. Let me try this out. Let me add it to here. Let me add it to here. Let me run like this. Okay, if I remove this won't parse things as conventional now, probably. Yeah, now nothing is conventional. Let me remove commit parsers. Seems like it's working. Conventional commits. What happens if I put like something invalid in here? Yeah, I don't like this. Need a better error message when an option is not recognized. Okay, lens test suite is failing for some reason. Oh no. Let's do it like this. No, this is not good. I don't like this change. Processing steps. Processing steps. Wait, where do we find this actually? And what happens if I, let's say, change this to something invalid? Because this should be the same error in theory, but I'm not sure. Yeah, this is a worse error actually. Needs a simpler change without regex. What are we listening to right now? Just waves. The Nix flake is also failing. No idea why though. Like why? What the fuck? Like why? I didn't even do anything related to Nix. Oh, it's because it's not compiling. Okay. Okay, fair enough. Oops. Let's comment here. Okay, this is more tolerable change, I think. Impulse processing step. Isn't this a enum? Okay, let's check it out. Still a shitty error. Anyways, this is, I think this problem is more broader than just this little error that I'm getting, and I feel like I should fix this in a larger scale, so I'm just gonna ignore it for now. Fix cargo test. Just run cargo test. What the hell? Okay, I'll just tell you the error then. Check this. What the hell, man? Like, just come on. It's just some import thing. I can probably fix it myself, but I'm too lazy. In which module is this though? Let me check my emails. Wait, what is this PR? 1 second. Rig FM. Is this Rust? Let's go. Okay, anyways. By the way, recently I discovered this. What was the late SH server, which is in like IRC, but not IRC. It's quite a nice community. I mean, I really liked it. Really liked the idea. Username, appearance. Okay. So it's a nice place. Hey guys, how's it going? Currently live on YouTube. Okay, this should fix it. Fix imports. Maybe I should use late SH for the live stream chat. If we can have like a private room or something, that would be fun. Or maybe I can play the music here, and then you could also like, yeah, you know what I mean. We could be doing something. Okay, let me just water this sapling. Water today. Amazing, amazing, amazing technology. Life changing. Formatting is failing. God damn. What's up? How's it going? Kerry, welcome to the live stream. Oh my god, this is... Let me just fix this style. It's probably gonna be fine after this. Okay, we checked this one. This is fine. This is fine. I don't remember what happened in this one though. It's just still failing. Any updates on this? Okay. Okay, I think we're in a good spot after this one is green. I can switch to another project to work on. Hello, welcome. For those who don't know, that's the creator of Red Sea. You didn't have to say that, but thanks. Let me just leave a mouse emoji here. Can we... Is there any like secret commands that we can use in here that nobody knows but you know? Is there like a rat command? Can we add a rat command? Damn, that didn't work. Can we add like... I really need to explore this more, to be honest. We could maybe like... Okay, I can work on a rat command. And it wouldn't like... It just shows like a rat ASCII art just walking on the screen, like just from here to here, just a rat just casually just walking, just just like that. Maybe it could be fun. What is that hotkey? Right, like control. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Where's the rat here? So rat. Okay, that's actually quite nice. Mouse face. My terminal is broken. I should work on this. By the way, now that we have more terminal people in the chat, I want to show you guys my new terminal emulator. I want to show you my new terminal emulator that I'm working on. It's work in progress, POC, but only light team support. But check this out. This is gonna be game changer. Look at this. Look at the cursor. Look at the cursor. God damn, man. Look at the cursor. It's a low poly spinning rat. Let's go. Game changer. This is the best terminal emulator in the game. When this terminal protocol hits the market, nothing's gonna be the same. I'm telling you. Just give me 2 more hours, and then this is gonna be like, look at this, game changer, man. I'm telling you. Anyways, enough. Okay, enough of that. I don't want to spoil it too much, but hell yeah. I want it. Rat term 265, 256 color. Hell yeah. Does it break less like kitty term? It doesn't break. 3D sprites in the terminal. Let's go, people. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. I started with the cursor. But we're gonna do more. Leave that. I mean, right now it's just like I have this like literally a 3D object, and I'm rendering that in the terminal, so it's gonna be super nice when this is complete. I want to make a terminal I want to make a terminal protocol for this, and then when we get to a certain user base, all the terminal emulators out there, they will need to implement this, because it's gonna be like, hey, I saw that, did you see the rat term? You can actually have a rat in the terminal. So I want that in Ghosty, I want that in Kitty. And actually having that implemented in Kitty would be so funny, because it's literally called Kitty, but then you'll have a rat. No, I'm just joking. I'm just playing, guys. I'm just playing. Okay. But yeah, I'll work on that later. Work on it later. Stay tuned. Ratty. Holy shit, Ratty. Let's go. New terminal emulator called Rat. Let's just check it. I just hope that doesn't exist. Ratty CLI. Okay, that doesn't exist. Let's go. We have the name for it already. We're making a terminal emulator, guys. Richard M. Stallman's phone number, and he has Linus's phone number. We will get the rat proto into the game. Hell yeah. Hey, that's what I said. Let's go. Okay, guys, I'll actually create the repo. Ratty. We're making this shit happen. I'm telling you. Ratty. So what is the Kitty term? If you live in the terminal, Kitty is made for you. Cross-platform, fast, feature-rich, GPU-based. Let's think about this. Let's think about our headline. Ratty terminal emulator. for all the terminal rats. A terminal emulator for all the terminal rats. That's it. That's it. It's gonna be public. Add license, I'm not sure. Okay, actually, add license. Let's add readme. MIT. A next gen terminal emulator for all the terminal rats. Let's call it next gen, but let's not specify what next gen means, because nobody will actually expect to see a low poly rat 3D object in the cursor. Okay, are you going to make a cult full of rats echoes? Absolutely. A next gen terminal limit for all the terminal rats. Okay, that's gonna be the headline. Okay, nobody knows that the gen in the question is current gen 3. All right. Create repository. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, license. Guys, give this a star. Let's blow this up before it even exists. Okay, watch the repo, give it a star. We're taking this shit to the moon, man. We're taking this shit to the crater, the biggest cheese place ever existed. Okay, that's the moon. A Rust terminal emulator because reasons. Okay, this actually exists. But maybe we can take the name from them if it's not active. It's kind of active 7 months ago. Okay. Thank you for the stars, guys. We're making this happen. This is gonna be like 90% wipe coded, by the way. I mean, the thing that I've did is, let me check actually. Rat term. I can move this to Ratty now. Ratty. It's yeah, it's just 5,000 lines. It's kind of wipe coded, so I don't know. We're just taking advantage of the current technology out there. Okay, think of it as this, nothing more. Anyways, I'm super excited for this for some reason. Okay. So things are failing again. I can fix this myself. 7.5. So it's gonna be git config. Lints are failing. I'm once again adding caching to your CI. Check git cliff PRs. Man, thanks a lot. You're the cache. You're my cache guy at this point. Like you're just caching everything. You're just fixing all my mistakes. So appreciate that. refactor, add missing import. Come on, I just want the CI to be green. I just want CI to be green. Man, I have a lot of things to do now. I need to work on Carboxyl, I need to work on Ratty, Ratatouille, Gitcliff, Ratzilla. I'm cooked as hell, man. At this point, I'm cooked. And I'm starting in... and I'm moving to freaking Berlin now. I'm cooked as shit now, man. Damn. Add caching where applicable. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Rat card. Yeah, of course, rat card too. Rat card too, of course. That's, forgot that one. That one was in the list. Yeah, rat card too. Oh man. I love you, Fairs. You're one hell of a crab. Okay, you're caching that, caching this, caching that. Okay, so did you also, like, did you already check this or no? Should we wait for this? Okay, I'm gonna wait for it and see the speed up. Okay. Yeah, we need to run it twice. Okay, I'll run it twice. Cool, we're just waiting for CI now. Let me check the issues. CI hell, yeah. I think this was already provided. It's good. First issue, CI, maintenance. I think I'll add this to the milestone. I'm just about to go to bed. Alright. Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow. Man. RIP to whatever the name of... What was the name of that guy who died? Too mad, right? Yeah. Rest in peace. Too mad. I'm just about to go to bed. See you tomorrow. Goodbye, man. Take care. Thanks for everything. This is still failing for some reason. Oh no, everything is failing. Damn. This should normally pass. Okay, let's rerun this one. I didn't even check the timing though. My brain is cooked. Anyways, I trust salmons. No. Wait, what? Incorrect expectation in that new test. Wait a minute. Restore build. Okay, just update the test case. Okay, did I push it? I think so. Nope, I didn't. Okay, that's fixed. We're just waiting, man. We're just waiting. Reading 1.8 Chromium builds. Yeah, man. I think I will work on some surprise project after this. Not ratty, not carboxyl, but something that needs delicate attention. Linux Wave. We're working on Zig now, guys. I'm writing Zig now. Let's have a look. So we have a PR for Linux Wave. In case you don't know what this is, it's a project command line tool that generates random tunes from the Linux kernel. So I don't even remember how to run this. Zig run build. Zig build run. Okay, it still builds, which is fine. So this PR is bumping that to 0.16. And what's the current Zig version that I have? Zig version. I'm on 14, which is kind of old. 15. What's the latest version we have available in the repos? 15. Okay, so I need to install Zig Git probably. Zig Git. Yeah. Let's install that. So this is the whole CLI. Just generates tunes like this. We are bumping that to Zig 0.16 now. Hey Transistoric, thanks for the PR. Would you be interested in hopping on as a co-maintainer of this project? How do I find this emoji? Mouse trap. Let me check the changes. 0.16. I mean, as long as this is running, it's probably fine. Zig clap is already bumped to 0.16. Seems like it. Seems like there was a new release recently. Just takes forever to clone this, man. This seems like it's working now. The lints are still failing though. Why though? Oh, it's unwrapping, that's why. Process commit list. I can probably return a result from this. Hello, welcome to the live stream. Emirhan, what's going on? How are you doing? Let me run the tests. Not bad. I'm just, I don't know, I'm just doing stuff, man. Transdoric. Okay, let me add him as a maintainer. I just recruited an innocent open source developer to my project. Let's see if I will be able to build this without running out of space. Seems like it worked. How's your moving process going? It's chill for now. Because I want it to be chill. You started, I mean, there's not much to do, to be honest. Like, just gonna pack my stuff and go. Probably. The stressing part is after you get there, probably. But, I mean, they help me out, so I try not to think about it that much. I'm currently building. I need to install Zig 16 to. Oh man, why is it taking forever? Finally cloned Zig repo. I think this is gonna be fine. Okay. No more magic words. Yeah. I can, you know what? I can probably just bring an empty water bottle with me and then I just fill it in and then pretend that it's magic, but it won't be the same, bro. Okay, we're building Zig now. God damn. By the way, I'll be building a really funky terminal emulator project. So if you want to watch that space, I'll just send you a repo link. It's gonna take forever to build this. Man, I think I'm done, by the way. This is gonna be fine, most likely. And for this, I think I can focus on it later. After Zig is built. So yeah, we're just waiting for that. But other than that, guys, I think I'll be finishing this live stream here. And we're gonna see each other soon because I need to work on this Chromium thing. Building Chromium and applying patches and so on. So that's gonna be fun. And tomorrow we have a session for Terminal Tuesday. So if you wanna join, just leave a link here. And yeah, stay tuned for all the rad terminal updates, guys. See you around, I guess. Take care. Dude, I ain't even gonna lie. I just like PHP a lot, man. Not gonna lie, man.